Curium DQM Online Training. What is Curium DQM and how does it improve data quality management? Curium DQM is a data quality management solution developed by Curium Data Systems, designed to enhance data quality processes within financial services firms. It empowers business users to configure and maintain data quality processes, enabling operations and data analysts to define data sources, establish business rules, and manage workflows tailored to their specific needs. CuriumData.com. Key features of Curium DQM include issue detection, a user-friendly environment for configuring and detecting data validation issues without the need for coding. It offers standard rule sets for common data checks and allows for custom rules for more complex validations. Workflow and investigation, tools to monitor and manage data exceptions from identification through resolution, featuring customizable workflows, management dashboards, and audit trails to ensure accountability and efficient issue resolution. Data amendment, centralized control for initiating and managing data corrections across various systems, with full audit capabilities for tracking changes and ensuring data integrity. Data visualization, configurable tools for exploring data, including display, reporting, search, and export functionalities, facilitating cross-architecture analysis. Management information, comprehensive analysis of issue activity, providing insights into data quality trends and the effectiveness of data management processes. From an IT perspective, Curium DQM is designed to be minimally invasive, integrating seamlessly with existing data architectures without necessitating significant changes or replacements of current applications and databases. This approach allows business users to take greater control over data management, freeing up valuable IT resources and enhancing overall data governance. CuriumData.com. How to set up and configure Curium DQM for optimal performance. Setting up and configuring Curium DQM for optimal performance involves several key steps to ensure effective data quality management within your organization. Here's a structured approach. 1. Installation and deployment. Deployment options. Curium DQM offers flexibility in deployment, supporting both cloud-based and on-premise installations. Choose the deployment model that aligns with your organization's infrastructure and scalability requirements. CuriumData.com. 2. Configuration for data quality management. Data source integration. Integrate Curium DQM with your existing data architecture. The platform is designed to work alongside your current systems with minimal disruption, enhancing primary data control functions. CuriumData.com. Business rule definition. Empower business users to define and maintain data quality rules. Curium DQM provides a user-friendly environment for configuring data validation checks without the need for coding, allowing for quick setup and maintenance. CuriumData.com. 3. Workflow and issue management. Exception handling. Implement customizable workflows to monitor and manage data exceptions from detection through resolution. Features include management dashboards, user-defined criteria for prioritizing issues, and sophisticated noise suppression to focus on critical data issues. CuriumData.com. Data amendment controls. establish centralized controls for initiating and managing data corrections across your systems. This includes configurable validation, optional supervisory approval mechanisms, and full audit trails to ensure data integrity. Curiumdata.com. For performance optimization, system specifications ensure that the system running CuriumDQM meets the recommended hardware specifications, including adequate RAM, CPU capacity, and storage performance to handle data processing efficiently. Regular monitoring continuously monitor system performance and data quality metrics. Utilize CuriumDM's management information features to analyze issue activity and assess the effectiveness of your data quality processes. Curiumdata.com. 5. User training and governance. Training programs conduct training sessions for business users to familiarize them with CuriumDM's features, enabling them to take ownership of data quality management processes. What are the key features of CuriumDQM and how can they be used? CuriumDQM is a data quality management solution designed to empower business users in financial services firms to oversee and enhance the quality of their structured data. It offers a range of features that facilitate effective data governance and operational efficiency. 1. Issue detection. User-friendly configuration provides a point-and-click environment for setting up data validation rules without the need for coding. Standard and custom rules includes a powerful set of standard rules for common data checks, along with the ability to define custom rules for more complex validations. Validation grouping allows users to channel data into appropriate validation groups or sets for organized processing. What if analysis offers a test mode for upfront data quality analysis, enabling on-the-fly investigations or pre-implementation assessments. 2. Workflow and investigation. Management dashboard features a customizable dashboard with workflow and audit trails to ensure ownership, tracking, and resolution of data issues. Prioritization and routing enables user-defined business criteria to prioritize and direct data exceptions to appropriate queues or users. Noise suppression employs sophisticated techniques to focus on critical data issues, minimizing distractions from non-critical or aged issues. Data snapshots and queries captures data snapshots at the point of exception detection and provides online queries for up-to-date analysis. Cross-architecture data queries supports issue investigation and impact analysis across different data architectures. Exception management allows merging of exceptions for efficient investigation and management and supports importing exceptions from other systems for centralized issue management. Automated notifications configurable to send automated notifications, example emails, messages, based on specific events and updates. 3. Data amendment. Centralized control facilitates centralized initiation and control of data corrections to any target data source or system within the architecture. User-friendly interface offers pick lists and drag and drop features from identified data sources or other applications to minimize the risk of data correction errors. Validation and approval includes configurable cross-attribute validation and optional 4-eyes and supervisor release mechanisms. Integration with external systems integrates with external system procedures to apply amendments and post status information back to Curium. Audit Trail provides a full audit of activity for analysis of active amendments and amendment history. 4. Data Visualization. Exploration Tools offers highly configurable tools for data display, reporting, searching, and exporting for cross-architecture analysis. Side-by-side displays allows side-by-side displays of data attributes across various data sources, master data copies, and target systems for a comprehensive view. Drill-down capabilities provides context-driven, drill-across capabilities to other types of supporting data without the need for a structured common key. Customizable Enquiries enables user-defined enquiry layouts with configurable filters, grouping, and sorting functions. Excel Integration integrates with MS Excel for further analysis of any data query or report. How to automate data cleansing and validation with Curium DQM? Curium DQM is a data quality management (DQM) solution that enables organizations to automate data cleansing and validation to ensure high quality, consistent, and accurate data. To automate these processes, follow these key steps. 1. Define data quality rules. Establish business rules for cleansing and validation. Example, format checks, completeness, uniqueness. Configure rule-based automation within Curium DQM. Use custom scripts for advanced validation logic. 2. Data ingestion and profiling. Automate data imports from various sources, databases, files, APIs. Run data profiling to detect anomalies and inconsistencies. Identify patterns and trends in data quality issues. 3. Automated cleansing and transformation. Apply standardization rules, example, correcting date formats, phone numbers, names. Use deduplication techniques to remove duplicate records. Implement data enrichment by integrating external reference data. 4. Data validation and monitoring. Set up automated validation checks to flag incorrect data. Configure real-time alerts for data quality issues. Perform trend analysis to track data quality improvements over time. 5. Workflow automation and integration. Schedule automated data cleansing jobs at regular intervals. Integrate with ETL tools by platforms and databases for seamless workflows. Use Curium DQM APIs for programmatic data quality enforcement. 6. Reporting and continuous improvement. Generate data quality reports to monitor performance. Implement machine learning models to enhance rule-based cleansing. Continuously refine validation rules based on new patterns and business needs. How does Curium DQM ensure regulatory compliance in data governance? Curium DQM ensures regulatory compliance in data governance by providing financial services firms with robust tools to manage and monitor data quality effectively. It empowers business users to define and maintain data sources, build and execute business rules, and establish workflows tailored to their processes. This user-centric approach facilitates accountability and transparency, essential for demonstrating compliance to management, regulators, and clients. CuriumData.com. The platform offers a comprehensive suite of features, including issue detection, a user-friendly environment for configuring and detecting data validation issues without the need for coding. Workflow and investigation, tools for monitoring and managing data exceptions from inception through resolution, ensuring ownership, tracking, and resolution of data issues. Data amendment, centralized initiation and control of data corrections to any target data source or system with full audit capabilities. Data visualization, configurable tools for data exploration, including display, reporting, search, and export capabilities for cross-architecture analysis. Management information, comprehensive analysis of issue activity, providing insights into internal and external data providers and operational processes throughout the data supply chain. By integrating these features, Curium DQM enables firms to maintain high data quality standards, reduce operational risks, and ensure adherence to regulatory requirements. The platform's configurability and ease of integration with existing data architectures make it a practical solution for firms aiming to enhance their data governance frameworks. CuriumData.com. What are the best practices for data profiling and monitoring in Curium DQM? Implementing effective data profiling and monitoring in Curium DQM involves several best practices to ensure high data quality and integrity. Comprehensive data visibility. Establish a unified view of data quality across the organization. This holistic approach allows for consistent monitoring and management of data quality issues, regardless of the existing IT architecture or data management systems. CuriumData.com. Continuous monitoring. Implement regular, ongoing data quality checks, and where feasible, real-time monitoring. This proactive stance ensures timely detection and resolution of data issues, preventing potential business disruptions. CuriumData.com. Sophisticated workflow management. Develop advanced workflows to manage data quality exceptions efficiently. Prioritize issues based on business impact, route them to appropriate teams, and provide contextual information to facilitate swift resolution. CuriumData.com. Functional controls. Implement robust controls such as centralized data correction points, validation checks, user permission management, and mechanisms to suppress non-critical exceptions. These controls enhance data accuracy and streamline the management process. CuriumData.com. Root cause analysis and trend monitoring. After resolving data issues, conduct root cause analysis to prevent recurrence. Monitor trends in data quality exceptions to identify systemic problems and implement corrective measures. CuriumData.com. Comprehensive audit trails. Maintain detailed records of all data quality issues and resolutions. This audit trail supports accountability, facilitates historical analysis, and aids in compliance with regulatory requirements. CuriumData.com. Management information utilization. Leverage the management information generated from data quality processes to gain insights into business operations. This data can inform strategic decisions and drive continuous improvement in data management practices. CuriumData.com. How to integrate Curium DQM with other data management systems? To integrate Curium DQM, Curium Data Quality Management, with other data management systems, you can follow these general steps. Understand the API or integration mechanisms. Check if Curium offers RESTful APIs, web services, or connectors that allow integration with external data systems. Review the documentation of Curium and the systems you intend to integrate with to understand the available methods of integration. Data mapping and transformation. Define data mapping between Curium and the external system, ensuring that the data formats are compatible. Use transformation tools or scripts, example ETL tools, SQL queries, to handle any differences in data structures. Data connectivity. Establish a connection between Curium and the other systems, example databases, data lakes, cloud platforms. If the system supports direct database connections, configure it by providing connection strings, credentials, and any required authentication information. Define data workflows. Set up workflows to automatically exchange data between Curium and the external system. This could include data validation, cleaning, and transformation workflows. Use data pipelines or batch processing methods to move data between systems if real-time integration is not required. Error handling and data quality checks. Implement error handling procedures to ensure that data quality checks are not disrupted during integration. Ensure that the integration validates data quality both before and after the transfer to guarantee consistency and correctness. Automation and scheduling. Automate the integration process using scheduling tools to periodically synchronize data between Curium and other systems. This can be done using cron jobs, workflow automation tools, or within the Curium environment. Monitoring and logging. Set up logging mechanisms to monitor the integration process for errors or failures. Regularly check the integration status and resolve issues to ensure smooth operation. Testing. Test the integration with sample data to verify that data flows correctly, quality checks are applied as expected, and no data integrity issues occur. Perform user acceptance testing, UAT, to validate that the integration meets the business requirements. Why choose ProExcellency for Curium online training? ProExcellency is a leading provider of online professional training, offering a range of courses designed to meet the specific needs of various industries and professionals. While specific information about their Curium online training program is not available in the provided sources, there are several reasons to consider ProExcellency for your training needs. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency specializes in virtual and corporate training with a focus on IT consulting. They are equipped with subject matter experts and professionals to ensure high-quality education. ProExcellency.com. Positive client feedback. Clients have praised ProExcellency for their dedication, quality of work, and problem-solving abilities. Testimonials highlight their responsible approach and commitment to continuous development. ProExcellency.com. Comprehensive course offerings. ProExcellency offers a variety of courses, including SAP Ariba, SAP Trademark S/4HANA EWM, Viva CRM, Kinaxis Rapid Response, Blue Yonder WMS, Salesforce, Manhattan WMS, and InfoBurst. This diverse range indicates their capability to provide specialized training across different domains. ProExcellency.com. flexible, and advanced training methods. The company utilizes advanced online training methods and offers flexible commercial models, paying complete attention to customer requirements. They are competitive in terms of billing costs and have a cost advantage of delivery from India. ProExcellency.com. Positive employee reviews. Employees have rated ProExcellency highly, indicating a positive work environment and satisfaction with the company's culture, job security, salary, benefits, work-life balance, skill development, and work satisfaction. Ambitionbox.com. While specific details about the Curium DQM training program are not available, ProExcellency's overall reputation and commitment to quality training make them a strong candidate for your professional development needs. Thank you.